ChatGPT integration with Amazon, a step-by-step guide on integrating ChatGPT. Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide on integrating ChatGPT with Amazon. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of seamlessly integrating ChatGPT into your e-commerce platform, specifically focusing on Amazon. We'll start by providing an overview of ChatGPT's integration with the Amazon e-commerce platform, highlighting its broad usage and how it enhances the user experience through interactive interfaces, personalized recommendations, and round-the-clock customer support. If you're a small business owner who is a seller on Amazon and are looking to enhance your online store and improve your customer engagement, then you're in the right place. 1. Introduction to ChatGPT integration with Amazon. ChatGPT has brought about a revolution in the business world, particularly benefiting e-commerce businesses. However, the extent of its impact depends on the successful implementation into your e-commerce store. Next, we'll delve into the specific benefits of integrating ChatGPT with Amazon, including automated customer service, language support, acting as a sales channel, and feedback collection. We'll guide you through the initial steps of creating an OpenAI account, requesting API access, verification, obtaining API keys, and understanding the ChatGPT API documentation. 2. The benefits of integrating ChatGPT with Amazon. So, why should small business owners consider integrating ChatGPT with their Amazon stores? Let's look at some of the key benefits. Automated customer service minimizes the time and resources spent on customer queries by providing automated yet empathetic responses. Using AI chatbots in customer service reduces the need for human intervention, making response time faster and using resources more efficiently. Sophisticated chatbots understand customer queries and give fast information or solutions without needing human customer service. What sets automated customer service apart is its ability to incorporate empathy into its responses. Through advanced natural language processing algorithms, chatbots can understand the tone and emotions behind customer messages. This allows them to provide empathetic and personalized responses, creating a more engaging and satisfactory customer experience. With minimal human involvement, businesses can handle numerous customer queries simultaneously, significantly increasing productivity and reducing operational costs. By incorporating automation into customer service, businesses can enhance productivity, reduce costs, and ensure continuous assistance for valued customers. Language support. The ability to converse in multiple languages helps reach a broader customer base. This linguistic diversity can be a significant advantage, especially in today's interconnected global marketplace. Firstly, speaking multiple languages allows businesses to target a more extensive customer base. Companies can reach new markets and expand their reach by offering support in different languages. This increases their customer pool and translates to higher sales potential and revenue growth. Lastly, conversing in multiple languages allows businesses to understand cultural nuances better and adapt their products or services accordingly. Recognizing cultural differences and preferences will enable companies to customize marketing strategies, product localization, and customer support, leading to a better and more personalized experience for customers globally. Sales channel. ChatGPT can act as a sales channel, guiding customers through the buying process and even upselling or cross-selling. ChatGPT is an excellent tool for boosting sales. It can effectively assist customers throughout their entire buying process, providing them with valuable information, recommendations, and guidance. ChatGPT can quickly answer customers' questions about products or services, providing clear explanations and addressing any concerns they have. Providing accurate and timely information helps potential customers gain confidence in their buying decisions. ChatGPT's versatility in various sales scenarios makes it an ideal business sales channel. It guides customers through the buying process and promotes upselling and cross-selling, ultimately contributing to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Implementing ChatGPT into e-commerce platforms like Amazon garners significant operational efficiencies and enhances the overall customer experience. 3. Step-by-step guide on integrating ChatGPT with Amazon. Let's get started by taking a look at the first step: creating an account with OpenAI, the brilliant minds behind ChatGPT. We'll also learn about obtaining those all-important API keys that allow both platforms to communicate flawlessly. Stay tuned for some valuable insights and tips along the way. Create an OpenAI account. Users should begin by signing up for an OpenAI account through the official website to access ChatGPT and other AI tools. Request API access. Upon registration, they need API access, crucial for integrating ChatGPT into their e-commerce platforms. Once users have completed the registration process, one critical step they need to take is requesting API access. This access is essential for seamlessly integrating ChatGPT into their e-commerce platforms. Verify your account. A verification process typically follows, which involves confirming one's email address and possibly providing additional information. Verification is an important step that usually occurs after an initial registration process. This process aims to ensure the accuracy and legitimacy of the information provided by confirming the user's email address. In some cases, additional information may be requested to validate the user's identity further or meet specific requirements. Obtain API keys. After verification, users are provided with API keys necessary for the integration process. API keys are essential for the integration process. Users receive them after completing verification. Users must be diligent in keeping these API keys secure, as they provide access to OpenAI services. Depending on your skills and needs, you can choose different integration methods, like using the OpenAI Python library or pre-built integrations for e-commerce platforms like Amazon. 4. Preparing your e-commerce Amazon platform. In this section, we will discuss the steps involved in preparing your Amazon e-commerce site for integrating ChatGPT. We will begin by creating a developer account with Amazon. It is crucial to secure your site by implementing a two-step verification process. This additional layer of security is essential because if someone gains access to your developer account, they will also have access to your e-commerce account. 1. Developer account. To start, an individual must create a developer account on Amazon's platform to be eligible for integrating AI tools. 2. Agreement acceptance. Adherence to Amazon's Developer Services Agreement is mandatory to continue the account setup process. 3. Profile information. Providing accurate profile details such as company name, website, and other pertinent information is crucial. 4. Developer ID. Upon completion of the registration process, a developer ID is assigned, which will be used in future communications with the Amazon API. 5. Two-step verification. Two-step verification is recommended for all developer accounts to enhance security. Enabling API access on Amazon. After creating and securing your developer account on Amazon, it is important to enable API access. This step is crucial as it facilitates communication between the ChatGPT platform and Amazon. 1. API services. Amazon offers various API services, and selecting ones that align with the e-commerce platform's requirements is essential. 2. API limitations. Understanding the selected API's rate limits and data quota will prevent potential service interruptions. 3. Access credentials. After API selection, the next step involves obtaining access credentials such as API keys or tokens. 4. Security measures. Implementing strict security measures ensures that the API access credentials are kept confidential and not susceptible to misuse. 5. Testing environment. Utilizing Amazon's testing environment, API functionalities can be tested to validate integration before going live on the e-commerce platform. 5. Setting up the ChatGPT environment. In this stage, you need to install and configure the required tools in ChatGPT in order to integrate with the Amazon platform. We will guide you through a step-by-step process consisting of 5 steps, starting from understanding the software prerequisites to testing the setup. 1. Software prerequisites. Install the software prerequisites such as Python, pip, and any necessary development tools for the ChatGPT library. 2. Library dependencies. Run the command to install the ChatGPT library and any other packages it depends on. Ensure that the versions are compatible with the e-commerce platform. 3. Environment variables. Set up the required environment variables to allow the system to interact appropriately with the library, such as API keys, if needed. 4. Network configuration. Ensure that the e-commerce platform settings allow outgoing requests to the ChatGPT service and incoming responses. 5. Testing the setup. Verify that the tools and the ChatGPT library are correctly installed by running a test script that interacts with the ChatGPT environment. 6. Building the ChatGPT integration. Congratulations, the fundamentals are complete. Our next priority is to establish the chat interface, which involves an 8-step procedure. This process may need to be repeated multiple times as it encompasses the development of chatbot responses and the training of the chatbot. 1. Design the chatbot flow. Map out the conversation flow that your chatbot will follow. Consider the different scenarios and user intents that the chatbot should be able to handle. Create a logical structure for the conversation, including greetings, questions, and responses. 2. Develop chatbot responses. They train the chatbot using large datasets to handle many customer service scenarios with nuance and accuracy. 3. Integrate the chatbot platform. Follow the instructions the chosen chatbot platform provides to integrate it with your e-commerce Amazon platform. This may involve installing plugins or APIs and configuring settings to enable seamless communication between the chatbot and your platform. 4. Customize the chat interface. Tailor the chat interface to match your e-commerce platform's branding and design guidelines. Choose appropriate colors, fonts, and layouts to create a consistent user experience. 5. Train the chatbot. Use the chatbot platform's training capabilities to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of the chatbot's responses. Provide sample conversations and test different scenarios to fine-tune the chatbot's understanding and performance. 6. Test thoroughly. Conduct extensive testing to ensure the chatbot functions correctly on your e-commerce Amazon platform. Verify that it responds accurately to user queries, handles different scenarios, and provides relevant information. 7. Deploy the chatbot. Once satisfied with its performance, deploy it on your e-commerce Amazon platform. Monitor its performance closely and make necessary adjustments based on user feedback and analytics. 8. Continuously improve. Regularly review and update the chatbot's responses based on user feedback and evolving customer needs. Monitor its performance metrics, gather insights, and make iterative improvements to enhance the chatbot experience. After training and testing the chatbot, the next important step is to integrate it with Amazon's product catalog and search functionality. This integration is crucial as it allows your products to be seamlessly incorporated into ChatGPT. The process involves implementing the product catalog integration to enable effective search functionality during interactions. 1. Understand Amazon's APIs. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's developer portal and API documentation to gain a clear understanding of their e-commerce product catalog and search APIs. This will help you understand the capabilities, limitations, and requirements for integration. 2. Implement product catalog integration. Utilize the appropriate API endpoints provided by Amazon to retrieve product information from their catalog. You can use APIs like Product Advertising API or Selling Partner API, formerly known as MWS API, to fetch product details, including titles, descriptions, prices, images, and more. 3. Implement search functionality. Leverage Amazon's search APIs to enable users to search for products within the vast catalog. Depending on your requirements, you can use APIs like Product Advertising API's Item Search or Selling Partner API's Product Type Definitions API to perform search queries based on keywords, categories, filters, or other criteria. 4. Handle API responses. Process and parse the responses returned by Amazon's APIs in a structured manner. Extract relevant information from the responses and present them appropriately within the ChatGPT chat interface. 5. Error handling and exceptions. Implement error handling mechanisms to handle any potential errors or exceptions that may occur during API integration. This includes handling rate limits, authentication failures, and invalid requests. 6. Testing and debugging. Thoroughly test your integration implementation by simulating various scenarios and user interactions. Verify that the product catalog retrieval and search functionality work as expected. Debug any issues that arise during testing. 7. Optimization and performance. Review your integration code for any potential optimizations to improve performance and efficiency. This may involve caching frequently accessed data, implementing pagination for large result sets, or optimizing search queries for faster response times. 8. Deployment and monitoring. Deploy your integration to a production environment and closely monitor its performance and stability. Implement logging and monitoring solutions to track usage, identify issues, and make any necessary adjustments. In working through these implementation steps, the team establishes a direct link between the e-commerce platform and Amazon, enhancing product discovery and improving overall user experience with the convenience of ChatGPT assistance. Remember that this plan provides a general outline of the steps involved in integrating with Amazon's e-commerce product catalog and search functionality. The specific details and implementation may vary based on your chosen programming language, platform, and the specific requirements of your ChatGPT integration on the e-commerce Amazon platform. 8. Adding personalized recommendations and upselling strategies. The subsequent process is optional, and you may require the help of a developer or an experienced system integrator. We included it to demonstrate the potential of integrating ChatGPT with your Amazon store. We commence with behavioral analysis and conclude with a feedback loop to generate user feedback. 1. Behavioral analysis. Gather and analyze customer behavior data, including browsing history, purchase history, and preferences. Utilize machine learning algorithms to identify patterns, preferences, and trends. Generate customer profiles based on the analysis results. 2. Integration with CRM. Integrate the behavioral analysis data with the Customer Relationship Management (CRM) system. Store and manage customer profiles within the CRM platform. Ensure that the CRM system can handle real-time updates and data synchronization. 3. Dynamic upselling. Develop an algorithm that dynamically suggests additional products or services based on the customer's browsing or purchase history. Implement the algorithm within the Amazon e-commerce platform to display relevant upselling recommendations on product pages or during the checkout process. Continuously optimize the algorithm based on customer feedback and performance metrics. 4. Custom promotions. Use customer profiles and behavioral analysis data to create personalized promotions and offers. Tailor promotions are based on customer preferences, purchase history, and demographic information. Implement the custom promotions within the Amazon e-commerce platform to provide targeted offers to customers. 5. Feedback loop creation. Establish a feedback loop mechanism to collect customer feedback on personalized recommendations and upselling strategies. Encourage customers to provide feedback through surveys, ratings, or reviews. Analyze the feedback data to identify areas of improvement and refine the recommendation and upselling algorithms. Following this step-by-step plan, you can effectively add personalized recommendations and upselling strategies to the Amazon e-commerce platform while integrating with ChatGPT. Conclusion. Integrating ChatGPT with your Amazon store can be a game-changer for small business owners in the e-commerce industry. By leveraging this powerful AI chatbot, you can automate customer service, expand your language support, boost sales, collect valuable feedback, and enhance overall customer experience. Successful integration requires careful planning, training, testing, and continuous optimization to ensure optimal results. So, take the leap and embrace the power of AI to take your e-commerce business to new heights. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with ChatGPT integration, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.